Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook curry pumpkin, yeah, and saltfish. You understand me? I need curry pumpkin and saltfish with caramel dumpling guys. Dumpling and Irish guys. Watch your badness in our kitchen. You soon come back guys. Be your badness. Curry pumpkin and saltfish with caramel dumpling and Irish guys. Guys, I soon come back. Stay tuned. Yeah guys, so this is my saltfish. See my saltfish over here, so yeah. See my pumpkin. You understand me? I did curry pumpkin with saltfish. You understand me? I did with caramel dumpling and Irish guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna peel up my pumpkin and I'm gonna swallow and put my saltfish to soak. You understand me? I did soak out some my salt half of the saltfish. Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen, guys. Yeah. Guys, when you watch about this in our kitchen today, curry pumpkin and saltfish with caramel dumpling and Irish guys. Be about this. Yeah guys, so this is my pumpkin. So I go on over here, so yeah. So I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light up my stove, knead up some flour, make my water go on hot. You understand me? I need. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so pot up on fire, I light up my stove. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna knead up some flour. So I'm gonna see what I go on. You understand me? I'm gonna knead up some flour now, I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. So guys, stay tuned and watch the badness in the kitchen. You understand me? Guys, remember, like, share, subscribe, click that notification bell as I video drop, you have it guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on like this now by on the floor. Then I will need up the floor now guys. Some bad caramel dumpling and curry pumpkin and saltfish guys. Be a badness. Guys, be a badness in our kitchen. Some bad caramel flour and curry pumpkin with saltfish. Guys, that one I go bad. Stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Yeah guys, so I go on over here so yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, make my water go on hot to put in the flour. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna line up the pot to put on the pumpkin. You understand how these so guys. Watch your badness. Soon come back. Yeah. Watch your badness, guys. Guys, water not yet, so you don't know badness going in the kitchen, you know. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna put in some Irish. So I'll go on like this, yeah. Yeah, guys, so you don't know the badness. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in some flour. You understand me? Yeah, I'm gonna put in the flour them you know, guys. So watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna put in some flour now in the pot. You understand me? Yeah. Watch your badness, guys. Yeah, guys, some bad kami dumpling, the curry pumpkin, and saltfish. Yeah. Guys, that one have a bad. Guys, in the saltfish. Yeah. Don't know the badness. Guys, let me make sure clean up my saltfish before me put it in the pot. I wash them off, clean them up, scrape off all of the scale them so when I put in the saltfish and the saltfish boil, and when they finish boiling, I have to clean up, I just pick him up and you understand me all these? Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. See the saltfish? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna put on the pumpkin. They're gonna sew off on. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna light up the next part of stove now. Light up the stove, guys, and I'm gonna sew off on. Yeah. Guys, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cut up one carrot with my pumpkin. Yeah, I'm gonna cut up a carrot with my pumpkin, guys. So watch about this. Guys, the flour them come like them and boil out of the pot. Yeah, guys, guys, so I'm gonna put the curry in the pot to go and burn. You understand me, all the, yeah. Guys, I'm gonna put in the pumpkin. Guys, when I go to the meantime, cut up the carrot. You understand me, all the, yeah. Guys, watch about this in the kitchen. See the carrot, yes, and I will cut up the carrot, guys. Guys, be about this in the kitchen. Be about this. Yeah, guys, so this is my carrot. You understand me, all the, guys, just stay tuned to the finishing look. Curry pumpkin with saltfish. Curry pumpkin and saltfish with some caramel dumpling and Irish. You guys, watch what going on in our kitchen. Soon come back, guys. Be about this. Yeah, guys, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take out my saltfish out of the pot now. You understand me, Alin? Yeah. Be about this, guys. Be about this in our kitchen. Yeah, guys, so I make my flour go and soak so you understand me, Alin? Yeah, so watch your badness in our kitchen, guys. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I go on over here, so guys, I be about this. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, my dumpling and Irish cook. So I'm gonna lock off the stove. I'm gonna sew all on. I'm gonna strain off the water off my flour. I'm gonna sew all on, guys. Guys, soon come back. I be about this. Yeah, guys, so you see the badness so I go on in the kitchen right now. The pumpkin. I'm gonna season up my pumpkin now with some brown season, guys. No bad season. I not put no bad season away from a little black pepper. Yeah. No bad season, guys. Yeah, guys, my curry pumpkin and saltfish with some caramel dumpling and Irish. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna put in my saltfish and also my saltfish. Yeah. Be about this, guys. Be about this. stay tuned for the finishing look. Yo, if I don't like it, you know. Sell off guys, I'll be a badness. Soon come back.